Hi guys, welcome to Grace's Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking some steamed fish and churned cornmeal. Over here I already have my stuff prepared. These are some sweet peppers. I have the green sweet pepper, the yellow sweet pepper, red sweet pepper, and onions, garlic, a piece of thyme. Over here I have celery, carrot, tomato, and over here you can see I have scallion, thyme, butter, the cornmeal for the churn meal, and these are some string beans, the fish, the coconut milk. I already put all my seasoning together. The hot purpose, as you can see, garlic powder, the fish season, and annex all purpose, and I already put them together. So now I'm gonna season my fish, and this is the way how I season my fish. I don't want to put a lot of seasoning on it because I'm gonna use the fish noodle, and it already have a little salt in it, so I don't want to overdo my fish with too much salt. So you do like this, you season. And anyway guys, I cut my fish because for some reason I don't like the head on the fish, so I cut it. I don't like to see the head on the fish, so I get it cut. But you could cook your fish with the head on it. You know, you can do whatever you want to do with your fish. And as you see, I even cut my fish in two. You don't have to do it. You can do your fish all or just like that if you want. It's up to you guys, whatever you like. So now I'm rinsing my hands off. Get a piece of napkin here on my hands. A little oil. Then you're gonna put your season. You're gonna put the garlic. I think I should turn this up a little. Okay. So now guys, I'm gonna put in my season. The onions, the garlic, and you don't want to turn the stove too high. You don't want too much fire under your season because you don't want it to burn. Put in the onions, the sweet pepper, I'm gonna add in my thyme, put in my celery, my carrot, my tomato. So guys, these are my season. I'm gonna leave the season a little to fry up a little. So I'm gonna prepare the water for the churn meal. My cup of Grace coconut milk, 1 cup of Grace coconut milk. I'm gonna add in my thyme. I already washed my season. I'm gonna add in my scallion. So as you can see, my seasoning is cooking up. So as you can see, my season, it's already fried up. So I'm gonna put my fish. I'm gonna put my fish in it. As I said, guys, you don't have to cut your fish if you don't want to. You don't have to take the head off, but I love to take the head off the fish. I don't like the head on the fish. So guys, my fish is steaming up. I'm gonna put the noodle on it now. As I said, I love to do my fish with the fish noodle. Hey guys, as you can see, my fish, I already put the noodle in. So now I'm gonna cover it and let it stay there and steam. So, as you can see, the coconut milk come to a boil. So I'm gonna add my butter in it. I already put my scallion, thyme. So I'm adding my butter in it. Then guys, this is the cornmeal. So I'm gonna add it in it little. Okay guys, and you're gonna stir it. Turn down the stove. Guys, make sure the meal mix properly. You don't want to see any lump in your cornmeal. You have to mix it properly so it come out nice and smooth. You don't want to see any lumps in your meal. Okay guys, so you're gonna mix. Make sure, as I said, no lump in the cornmeal. Guys, as you can see, my fish is steaming down, looking nice. My cornmeal is coming out so good. As I said, guys, you have to make sure you mix it properly so you don't have any lump in your meal. You don't want to taste any lumps in your cornmeal. Yes guys, my meal is cooking. And when you're turning meal, it takes roughly I would say 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, because you have to make sure the meal cook properly. So guys, you don't want to get stomach burn, so you have to make sure your meal cook properly. And as you can see, it all mixed out. There's no lump in it, and you don't want to turn your meal too thick. You know, you want it to moist and nice. You don't want it too dry, because eventually when it gets cold, it's gonna get hard. So you don't want it to turn too hard. So this is it guys. Okay guys, this is my steamed fish. I put the string bean for last because it's already pre-cooked, and and I don't want it to get too soft. I don't want it to get cooked too soft and mushy. I turn meal to soak properly. I don't want to see any lump. I don't want to feel any grain. I want it to soak properly. And guys, when you're doing turn cornmeal, you don't have to use the coarse meal. You use the kind of refined meal, you know, to get it this pretty. You don't have to use the coarse meal. You have multiple different type of meal, so you can use the refined one to give your turn meal a pretty look. All right, catch you when I'm finished and it is prepared. All right, hi guys, this is the finished look of my turn cornmeal and steamed fish. I would like you to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And please remember to share it with a friend, okay?